Hey, hey, boys and girls, I hope that you are having a great day. For centuries, humans have looked to the skies and wondered what makes the stars. Stars are made of gases. Hydrogen gas is the most important gas found in stars. Stars produce light energy and heat energy. These energies are created by huge explosions that occur when hydrogen gas becomes helium gas. Stars are very far away. Our closest star is our Sun, which is approximately 150 million kilometers from Earth. The next closest star to Earth is Alpha Centauri, which is billions of kilometers from our Sun. How do stars form? Everything in the universe consists of matter. Even stars consist of matter. You know that matter is made of atoms. There is less matter between the stars than in the stars. There is about 1 atom per square centimeter between the stars. That is very few atoms. We call the matter between the stars interstellar matter. Inter means between, and stellar means stars. A star is born or formed from interstellar matter. The atoms in the interstellar matter spin. This causes gravity to form. The gravity attracts the atoms together. Eventually, great masses of matter are formed into what looks like clouds in space. These clouds are called nebula. The nebula spins and creates even more gravity. The atoms move closer to each other as the gravity increases. After time has passed, the matter in the nebula begins to make a round shape. Inside the developing star, the hydrogen atoms begin to join to form helium atoms. This is called nuclear fusion. The process of nuclear fusion produces light energy and heat energy. A smaller star, like our Sun, will glow and make light energy for billions of years. Larger stars only make light energy for a few million years. What happens when a star dies? Smaller stars will expand and become a red color. This is called a red giant. The red giant will explode and the interstellar matter will separate into a circle of matter around a core or central part. The surrounding interstellar matter will move outwards into space and will perhaps one day form a new star. The core of the dying star is attracted towards its center because of gravity. The core of the star becomes smaller and loses its brightness. Soon it becomes so small that it is only a few kilometers in diameter. The dying star is called a white dwarf. The white dwarf becomes very dim and eventually disappears against the background of the dark sky. The star is dead, and is called a black dwarf. Just as with the smaller stars, large stars expand, but they become really huge. These huge red stars are called super red giants. Some super red giants are so large that if you placed one where our Sun is now, it would extend to the planet Saturn. That is really enormous. the super red giant explodes. This is called a supernova. The explosion is very great indeed. The supernova will shine very brightly for a few weeks. The brightness is similar to the light of millions of stars. This is followed by the great collapse. The gravity of the star pulls all the matter towards the center. The dead star may take one of two forms at this stage. The matter of the dead star may spin around itself, creating what is called a pulsar. This is really small compared with the original star. A pulsar produces radio waves and other energy as it spins. The matter of the dead star could also collapse completely and form a black hole. The gravity of a black hole is so great that not even light energy can escape. Anything that comes within the range of the black hole will be attracted towards its great gravity. No one knows what happens after matter enters a black hole. Here is a summary of what you have learnt. Matter between stars is called interstellar matter. The matter is made of atoms. The matter spins. This creates gravity and attracts the matter. The matter forms a gas cloud called a nebula. The nebula starts to produce light energy and heat energy during nuclear fusion. Small stars will produce light energy and heat energy for billions of years. Large stars will produce light energy and heat energy only for millions of years. Small stars start to die when they expand and form a red giant star. The matter in the star will collapse and a small white dwarf star is formed. The white dwarf star will become a black dwarf star. Large stars expand and form a super red giant star. The star will explode as a supernova. The star will collapse and become a pulsar or a black hole. Look at these photographs that show real examples of a star, nebula, super red giant and a supernova. Remember that there are many other examples of these phenomena in the universe. Please like and subscribe. Are there any topics you would like us to explore? Add your suggestions in the comments.